don't talk much about the years he lost, just wears them quiet like a cross. Boots cracked wide from 1,000 miles, but he still finds time to make me smile. He's got hands like busted steel, calloused up, but they still feel. He don't run, he don't beg, but he kneels to kiss my leg. He's got a back broke by Monday, but he holds me like it's Sunday. Life carved him hard and lean, but he's softer than he seems. He don't bend for the world's cruel part, but baby, he's got a soft heart. Sleeps light with one eye wide, dreams of things he can't outright. Lost his brother, lost his name, but never once forgot mine in the rain. He don't pray, but he believes in second chances and worn out jeans. Might be stoned when storms roll in, but he melts like fire